Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a VW Passat B7. First, gather all your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter tool, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 0 liters, and a fresh oil filter. Briefly run your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, which helps it drain more completely. Next, safely raise your vehicle or use ramps to access the underside. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan, which might take several minutes. Once the oil has drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn. Finally, reinsert the drain plug, tightening it firmly but without excessive force. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 to 0 liters. Replace the cap, then start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.